completed chapter number 4, part 1, exercise 4.1. Today we are going to start with part 2, exercise 4.2. So before starting exercise 4.2, let us discuss what is curve and what are polygons. So let's begin. So before moving to exercise 4.2, let us discuss first topic, what is curve. Anything which is not straight is called a curve. It is a drawing which is done without lifting the pencil. Whatever figure you are drawing without lifting the pencil, that is a curve. Curve are of three types. Number one, simple curve. A curve that does not cross itself. In the figure you can see they do not cross. That is an example of simple curve. Number two, open curve. Curve which have different beginning and end point. Students, open curves are open. Their end points do not meet. So that is an example of open curve. Number three, closed curve. Curve which have same beginning and end point. Closed curves are enclosed figure. Their starting and end point is same. A closed curve has three parts. Number one, interior inside of the curve. In the figure, this blue color area is the interior of the curve. Number two, exterior outside of the curve. As you can see, point A is outside, so it is exterior of the curve. Number three, boundary of the curve. Boundary, this black line you can see, it divides interior and exterior of the curve. So this is known as boundary of the curve. Whatever points are being marked in the boundary, that you will say as boundary of the curve. So keep in mind, the interior of a curve together with its boundary is called its region. What is it called? Region. Next topic, polygon. A simple closed curve made up entirely of line segments are called polygon. In the figures you can see, they are the example of polygon as they are made up entirely of line segments. Next topic, sides, vertices and diagonals of a polygon. Number one, sides. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. So in the figure you can see AB, BC, CD and DA. They are the sides of a polygon. Number two, vertex. Points where two line segments meet. So here A, B, C and D are the vertex of a polygon where two line segments meet. Number three, adjacent sides. Two sides of a polygon with common endpoints. So here AB and BC are adjacent sides, CD and DA are adjacent sides with common endpoints. Number four, diagonals. The line segments formed by joining non-adjacent vertices. So here AC and BD are diagonals of a polygon as they are formed by non-adjacent vertices. So now let us start with exercise 4.2. So open a Maths NCERT book, page number 78. Question number 1. Classify the following curves as open curve or closed curve. A part. So in this figure you can see the figure is open. Their endpoints do not meet. So it is a open curve. So right here, open curve. B part, it is an enclosed figure. So it is a closed curve. Now C part, here you can see their endpoints do not meet and the figure is open. So right here it is an open curve. Now D and E part both are closed. It has an enclosed figure, so it is a closed curve. So D part is your closed curve and E part is also a closed curve. As in closed curve, the figure is enclosed and in the open curve, their endpoints do not meet. Question number 2, draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. A part, open curve. As we all know, open curve do not have endpoints. So let us draw some diagrams. So this is an example of open curve and this is also an example of open curve as their endpoints do not meet. B part, closed curve. Closed curve is an enclosed figure which has starting and ending point. So if we start from here and end here, it is an closed curve. And this is also an example of closed curve. It has starting and end point and it is an enclosed figure. Question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. What is polygon? A simple closed curve made up entirely of line segments. So let us draw polygon of 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us label it A, B, C, D and E. 5-sided polygon is called pentagon. So we have to shade its interior. Interior means inside of the polygon. So inside area is this much. This area we have to shade. So students, you can draw any polygon. Hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and you can shade its interior depending on the question. If they ask for interior, you will shade inside of the polygon. Question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. A bar, is it a curve? We have to tell that is it a curve? See students, anything that is not straight is a curve. So here you can see this is not straight. There is little bend and divergent. So it is also a curve. It is not necessary that your curve is always like this. If it is bending and diverging, so it is a curve. So right here, yes. B bar, is it closed? They have the starting and end point and it is not open from anywhere. Their end points are joined. So yes, it is closed. So right here, yes. Now 5th question, illustrate if possible each of the following with rough diagram. A bar, a closed curve that is not a polygon. We have to draw a closed curve. So let us draw one closed curve and it should not be a polygon. So this is an example of closed curve and it is not a polygon. B bar, an open curve made up entirely of line segments. So it should be an open curve and it is made of entirely line segments. Now C bar, a polygon with 2 sides. A polygon is not possible with 2 sides. So right here, not possible because polygon we need more than 2 sides. So now let us see what are angles and solve exercise 4.3 through 3.
What is an angle? An angle is made up of 2 rays starting from a common end point. So here you can see this figure. It is read as angle BOA or angle AOB. The rays forming the angle are known as its arms or sides. So here in this figure, OB and OA are the arms or sides of the angle. The common endpoint is known as its vertex. Common endpoint. So here you can see O is common endpoint and it is the vertex of the angle. Angle has 3 reasons. Number 1, interior of the angle. Interior refers to inside area. So here the green colored area is the interior of the angle. Number 2, angle or boundary. It refers to the arms of the angle. The red point is on the arm of the angle. Number 3, exterior. It refers to the outer area. The blue point, it tells the exterior of the angle. Next topic, naming angles. Angles can be named in the following ways. Number 1, by 3 capital letters with the vertex letter in the middle. What is vertex? The vertex is the point where the 2 rays meet to form an angle. In this figure, B is the vertex where 2 rays meet to form an angle. So what are the 3 capital letters? Angle ABC or angle CBA. So here vertex is B and it is in the middle. Number 2, by 1 capital letter, angle B. This can only be used if angle B is only angle it could be. So here only B is in the center. So here we can also write angle B. Third point, by one lowercase letter or number written in the middle of the angle. So middle of the angle is angle B. So here we have written number 1. It can also be written as angle 1. So now let us start with exercise 4.3. So open your Maths NCERT book, page number 80. Question number 1, name the angles in the given figure. So here you can see one figure is given to you and we have to name the angles. So the angles are angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA and angle DAB. Question number 2, in the given diagram, name the points A part in the interior of angle DOE. So here you can see angle DOE. The interior of angle DOE is point A. B part in the exterior of angle EOF. So this is an angle EOF. The point in the exterior of angle EOF is C, A and D. C part on angle EOF. So the points on angle EOF are E, B, O and F. Question number 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have A part one point in common. So here you can see O is common point between angle COD and angle AOB. B part 2 points in common. So here O and B are common points between angle BOC and angle AOB. So students, C to E part will be your homework. You have to solve in the same way.
Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have Mr. Guli ma'am's class. So chapter number 4 exercise 4.2 and 4.3 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now next class will start with exercise 4.4. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.